Gem 3021. Let's find out which box we're opening. One time. Here we go. Feral Thursdays is definitely a thing. We're opening box 50. Oh, the 5-0.
Hey, Tommy.
50. Well, of course it is. There's 50 boxes, brother. Oh, 50. Is it up there? Tabby's dodgy here. I know. We know that. Oh, Jesus.
Wouldn't be at the bottom of a stack.
Yeah, but the 45 would be on top. Here we go. We're going to randomize this 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will go to the person in spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom will go to the person in spot number 30 for 2021. Here we go. 5 times. Let's do this. 1, 2. You think my little ass is going to be able to reach up and grab that? Let alone Damo's? 4. And 5. The top team is the Boston Celtics. The bottom team is the Detroit Pistons. That is 5 times. Here is box 50.
Everyone's just breaking out the funnies today.
They're all hilarious. 5 times.
Samo with his little pizza prank.
3021. Here we go. Alrighty. Good luck to all. The big 5-0.
Grace.
No, Diamond Kings has not arrived today. Here we go. Oh, goodbye. 3021. First up, for the Orlando Magic, 7 of 15. Jason Williams, a bit of white chocolate for your morning. The Orlando Magic's very nice spot. 28, Callum Olsen. 28, Callum Olsen, absolutely. Did he not make a mistake? 3021. Callum Olsen picks up the beautiful, flawless Jason Williams. Oh, nice. Team Trademarks, Kobe Bryant jersey, number 13 of 75. That's very cool. From Limited 1112. Game worn material. That is beautiful. Congratulations to the Lakers. That's a big boy. Spot 20. Aris again. Oh, boy. When are we seeing you, Aris? When are you coming in? Next auto is 16 to 99. Select Few. Kyrie Irving. Kyrie Irving for the Cavaliers. That is spot 24 to Timothy O'Connor. He loves this product. He loves Gem. And that's a nice hit to again, Tim's another one who doesn't mind the old Gem big hits. Footscray's Western Bulldogs. Brisbane. Next up. 1 of 1 for the Detroit Pistons. National Treasures, Treasured Threads patch. Blake Griffin. The 1-of-1 game-worn patch of Blake Griffin. And that is a beautiful patch. Who has got the Pistons? Spot 30. Last spot. Bruce Goo. Congratulations, Brucey. Is Sydney? Next one. Oh, excellent. I will be receiving that. Nice. The flawless Gem 12 of 20. Jarrett Culver. Jeez, that is nice. From Flawless, that's a real Gem. 12 of 20. Jarrett Culver for the Timbies.
Real gem.
Real Gem.
As in, like, there's a gemstone in the car.
Yep. Spot 4, David Paternoster. Oh, boy.
Cleaning. You were janitor, David? Because, my God.
I made that joke last night.
Oh, well, guess what? I wasn't here last night.
Hey, Rain Man. And then finally, oh my God, that is gorgeous. The Optic 1920 throwback set, 14/25, Allen Iverson. That is amazing. These throwback cards are so sick and people love them. Spot 9, Bo Chamberlain. Congratulations. That is beautiful. That is 3.